Welcome to our guide on installing the 1xBet app on your iPhone. Let's explore some of the features that make 1xBet a favorite among sports betting enthusiasts. Before downloading, ensure your iPhone meets the system requirements. Updated iOS and a stable internet connection are key. To start, open the App Store, search for 1xBet, and tap the download button to install the app. Alternatively, you can visit the official 1xBet website. There, you will find a direct link to download the app for iPhone. Once the download is complete, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. Next, you'll need to register an account. Fill out your details and complete the verification steps to get started. Once inside the app, let's tour the interface. Explore various sports and betting options available at your fingertips. To place bets, head to the payment section. You can set up various methods for deposits and withdrawals. For our first-timers, here are some handy tips. Take advantage of bonuses and remember to bet responsibly. And there you have it. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact 1xBet support. Happy betting!